This week, institutions quietly bought 30,500 Bitcoin. While retail investors were watching the price, BlackRock added to their position. MicroStrategy now holds 499,096 Bitcoin, worth $34.4 billion. And 52,500 Bitcoin left exchanges this week, the biggest signal smart money sends. Welcome to Whale Watch, Zeus ByteAI's weekly tracker of institutional and whale movements. Every week we follow the money: BlackRock, MicroStrategy. Let's start with the institutions, the players that move billions, not millions. BlackRock's IBIT ETF now holds 570,000 Bitcoin, worth $39.3 billion. This week they added 12,400 BTC. MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, holds 499,096 Bitcoin. That is $34.4 billion in Bitcoin on a single company's balance sheet. Fidelity's FBTC added 4,200 BTC this week. Combined, the top 6 institutional holders now control over 1.56 million Bitcoin. That is more than 8% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist, concentrated in institutional hands. When these players buy, they don't sell the next day. Their average holding period is measured in years, not weeks. Here is the signal that most retail investors completely ignore. This week, 52,500 Bitcoin left exchanges on a net basis. Coinbase, 28,400 BTC out. Binance, 15,200 BTC out. Bitcoin leaving exchanges means it is moving to cold storage. Cold storage means holders are not planning to sell. Less supply on exchanges equals less selling pressure, which historically precedes price appreciation. Exchange reserves are now at their lowest level since 2017. And this week, 847 transactions of 1,000 Bitcoin or more were recorded on-chain. These are not retail investors. These are the whales. So what does all of this actually mean for Bitcoin's price? 3 signals are flashing simultaneously right now. First, institutions are buying 30,500 BTC added this week by tracked entities alone. Second, exchange reserves declining, less Bitcoin available to sell. Third, whale transaction count rising, smart money is accumulating, not distributing. Historically, when all 3 signals align, institutional buying, exchange outflows, and whale accumulation, Bitcoin has averaged a 60 to 90% gain in the following 6 months. This is not a guarantee. But it is the same pattern we saw before every major Bitcoin bull run in history. That is the full whale picture this week: institutions, exchange flows, on-chain signals. Every Thursday we drop the new Whale Watch. Subscribe so you never miss a move. If this gave you an edge that retail investors don't have, hit the like button. Comment below, are you following the whales?